They can be annoying and sometimes even painful.
Amanda, here, try this. Pinch your nose, drink this glass of water all down in one gulp, and stand on one leg and balance. It didn't work. Try this. Boo!
Oh my gosh, Sharks, I'm so sorry. I don't know what's happening.
Guys, allow me, a doctor, to help. It's time to say goodbye to all of these silly tricks and instead say hello to Hickaway, the most effective way that you can stop your hiccups. Amanda, just take this